Hey there and welcome back to TikTok Answers, your go-to channel for quick and informative videos. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of our lives, sleep. We'll be sharing valuable tips for establishing a healthy sleep schedule that will leave you feeling refreshed and energized every single day. If you've been struggling with your sleep routine or simply want to optimize it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Everybody knows what it's like to feel drained. Did you know that sleep deprivation can have serious consequences on your health? It's true. Lack of sleep not only leaves you feeling lazy and unfocused but can also impair your immune system, increase the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes, and even affect your hormonal balance and mental health. But before we delve into practical tips, let's take a moment to understand the importance of sleep and what happens during the sleeping state. Sleep is a fundamental process that allows our bodies and minds to refresh and restore themselves. During sleep, our brain consolidates memories, regulates hormones, and even repairs cells and tissues. Did you know that on average, humans spend about 1/3 of their lives sleeping? That means if you live to be 75 years old, you would have spent 25 years asleep. Furthermore, sleep patterns vary greatly among individuals and species. While humans need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, some animals, like giraffes, can get by with only 1.9 hours of sleep daily. On the other hand, koalas snooze for 22 hours each day. But don't worry for koalas and yourself. High-quality sleep is not a wasted time, but an investment into your well-being. First of all, let us discuss what disrupts your sleeping schedule. It was shown that exposure to artificial light between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. can decrease dopamine levels. Even a small light source is enough to trigger dopamine plummet and disruption of the sleep schedule. This is why it might be difficult to fall back asleep if you go in the bathroom with the turned-on light in the night. Second, an exposure to screen light during late evening hours makes it harder to fall asleep. This is due to the presence of the blue light, responsible for the alertness regulation. Research in the Journal of Chronobiology proves that blocking the screen blue light in the evening has helped adults to improve mood and sleep quality. Lastly, simply drinking coffee in the evening can leave you sleep deprived. A scientific fact is that the half-life period of caffeine is about 5 hours. It means that if you drink a cup of coffee at 5 p.m., after 5 hours at 10 p.m., half of this caffeine will still be circulating in your body, disrupting your sleeping schedule. We have discussed what destroys your sleep. Now let us take a look at what helps maintaining it. A fascinating study in the Psychological Bulletin journal tells how to organize your meals to quickly fall asleep. The research shows that carbohydrate-rich food acts similar to tryptophan, which is a natural sleep-inducing amino acid. Also, in one of the previous episodes on stress management we mentioned that chamomile is an herbal source of melatonin, inducing a sleepiness state. We recommend you watching this episode for deeper details. Now that we've covered the research background, let's convert science into practical tips for a healthy sleep schedule. Prepare yourself, as this episode is packed with a lot of practical advice. First, it's important to avoid all artificial lights at least from 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. During these hours, you should not even use smartphone screens and bathroom lights. In the case of strong ambient light, use a light-blocking sleep mask and earplugs to isolate yourself from visual and audio noise. In case you must use a smartphone, set it up in reading mode during the night. This will block the blue screen light of your phone, which distorts the sleeping patterns. To enhance the first tip, you should also decrease the light brightness after around 8 p.m. For example, using a table lamp instead of an overhead light. It will signal your brain that it's time to prepare for sleep. If you are constrained to work in the night or late evening, at least block the blue light on the screen of your PC, laptop, tablet, and phone. Make sure that sunlight is the first thing you are exposed to in the morning. Ideally, you should expose yourself to sun without windows or sunglasses. Beware that you don't have to look at the sun directly. Don't burn your eyes. In the absence of sun, bright artificial light is a reasonable alternative that will work well. Next, eating carbohydrate-rich foods in the evening will stimulate the release of sleep-inducing amino acids that will help you easily fall asleep. Include some starchy carbs, like pasta, rice, or other grains in your evening meal. Regarding food and drinks, drink coffee only in the first part of your day. In the evenings, substitute coffee with a cup of chamomile tea. Lastly, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Engage in calming activities before bed, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. This will teach your brain that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. Finally, let us share a very effective life hack. Download on your phone an alarm clock that requires you to make a photo of the barcode to turn off the alarm. Then, take some object with the barcode that you want to use with the alarm clock, for example, a bottle of water. And place this object far away from your bed, so far away that it can even reside in the kitchen. In the morning, the alarm will not turn off until you stand up, go to another room and make the barcode photo. At this moment, you will already be in the kitchen, with the lights turned on, ready to make your breakfast. This life hack is guaranteed to wake you up. To summarize, creating a healthy sleep schedule is essential for your physical and mental well-being. It has direct effect on your cognition, emotional, and physical state. By maintaining a consistent routine, establishing a relaxing bedtime ritual, optimizing your sleep environment, and minimizing exposure to artificial light, you can improve the quality and duration of your sleep. We hope you found these tips valuable in your quest for a healthy sleep schedule. Remember to implement them consistently and give yourself time to adjust. These practices will work better and better over time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Wishing you peaceful nights, and as always, be a lifelong learner. Until next time.